Currently, your news reporter is missing. Is sick, so I'm here to take the story. Here's the story of Ronald McDonald. He says he now hates chicken nuggets and cheeseburgers. He's now giving up the cooking industry. That is all your news for today. We're out. This just in. Garfield from it said he wants to go to Paris, the land of lasagna.
This just in. She's wrong, and I'm alive. It's Italy, the home of lasagna.
I said you were sick.
Is this the news? Yes. I think it's not recording now. Yes. Is this the news?
Yes, it is.
Here the aliens are invading.
This just in. Aliens are invading Earth. Please, we are very scared. Run for your lives. Ah!
Where are the aliens? Oh, look out!
This just in. The rest, we will not survive. Please run away and scream.
This just in. This man and his strange cousin are our last hope. Blow up these freaking sauces. These things are weird. Tongues.
We got an interview.
Our tongues stick out and go in your ears.
Can I get an interview?
Take over your body. Get an interview of what?
You.
Which one up?
Where do you see yourself in 20 years?
Zombie hunting after I killed all the aliens in the universe.
What do you think is the coolest thing about the aliens?
What?
What do you think is the coolest thing about the aliens?
Their keen eyesight. They can see through. And their guns can shoot through anything they want.
That's just sense. Weird cousin is.
John, we need to go in.
The world will not survive.
We're invading.
And it's too bad Men in Black is just a movie. Ah, run away and scream.
Grace.
Grace. What? Keep your mouth wide open.
I'm going to zoom into your mouth.
Run for your life. The aliens are coming. The aliens are coming. The aliens are coming. This just is the woman that survives. They're marching on my flesh. Can we get an interview?
You stupid!
Oh my God. This just
He's lost his mind.
This just in the war will not survive.
My name is Hunter. I love puppies.
She's throwing a tantrum. Could she be an alien?
Hunter has thrown a tantrum. He's definitely an alien. And this is my mom's special care, Mr. Cuddles, and nobody lays a finger on him now.
He ain't even your
Hank.
Yeah.
This just in. The world might end. Will it? We will find out.
Yes!
If you see another news report from your hottest news reporter. And if you find any aliens,
Grayson.
hey, if you find any aliens, contact 560. Sign in. This is your hottest news reporter signing off. Stay good looking, ladies. If you survive. That's why.
Signing off. Let's the video.